Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx GUI tutorial. In this video, we will design our FXML form using SceneBuilder to represent PieChart. So if you see here, when we design our FXML, we will place the PieChart here. Then we will place 3 labels, and you can see those labels here. After placing the label, we will place a text field. Then we will place a add button, and finally here is our data area. So that's a text area placed inside the scroll pane, and we will name the control as shown here: chart pie chart, btn add, that's the name here, txt prod name, this is the one, txt sales, here is the one, ta chart data display. So this is ta chart data display text area. So you can enter product name, say for example car 1000, then you can click add. So car sales in a year, and you can click add. Likewise, you can start adding the data, and once you add, or when you are adding the data, that time itself PieChart will create the slides and shows the relational data to you. Alright, now we will go ahead and design the FXML form. If you want to do it yourself, you can use this screenshot and you can design the UI, or you can walk with me and we will design the form now. So Java FXML GUI. Accordion is the previous example which we created. Now we will create a new FXML. Empty FXML, and we will name this as PieChart example, and we will use Java controller, and we will accept the default name. We are not using any cascading style sheet, so we click finish here. Alright, cleanup was done. Now we will open the FXML. So all the chart related controls are available here. If you see, we have many charts here. First, we will learn about PieChart. Next, we need 3 labels. So we will increase the font size. You see, I selected all 3 labels and increasing the font size to 15. Hit enter or click somewhere else. Product name. So we placed our 3 labels. Next we will place 2 text field. So using the down arrow key, move it. We'll place one more text field, and we need a button. Next we will place a text area. Before that we will use the container. Inside the scroll pane we will place our text area. Here you can see the scroll pane. Text area I am dragging and dropping it inside the scroll pane. We'll save this. So chart, we will name it as, this is the code section, right? Here we can provide FXML ID, FX ID simply. Chart pie, hit enter. Button, we will name it as btn add, hit enter. We also need a handler for this. So in the an action, an add, hitting the enter each time. So when you click save, it will make an entry in the FXML. Controller, we can copy from here. We will do that towards the end. So we provided FX ID for chart and add button. So we will name this as txt prod name, and we will name this as txt sales. Then this is our, so since a scroll pane contains text area, right? So it is safe to pick the control using this hierarchy list. So here I am selecting text area, naming this as a TA chart data display. So that's all. Now we can go to show sample controller skeleton, and we can copy this FXML entries as well as FXML entry for field as well as the handler method. So if you look at here, whatever entry we made using the SceneBuilder, that is recorded here in the FXML, and we already have the controller entry in clipboard. So here is the controller. So just doing some formatting. Here you can see the controller is FX030 PieChart example controller. Then PieChart comes into picture. Then we have label, text field, text field, button, scroll pan. Scroll pan contains a text area. Alright, now we will go to the controller. We already have the FXML entry in the clipboard. We'll simply paste it, Control V. If you see, PieChart is from JavaFx SceneChart package. And if I control click, you can see it extends from chart. Chart is a abstract class, and you can see that here. So we saw that in the theory part, right? So PieChart, line chart, whatever you create all derives from chart. Alright, here button is from JavaFX control button. Text field, we used these multiple times in our previous examples. JavaFX event action event. So we made our XML entries and we designed our form. In the next video we will start implementing it. Maybe we can name our launcher here. So this is our FXML file, right? We are loading that here. Then we are setting title as PieChart example. So in all our example, if you see, we use the same launcher class, FXML GUI, and we make modification for each example. We come here and we will change the FXML entry and we will set a new title. Now we will rebuild and launch this. Now chart data won't display anything because we haven't yet loaded the PieChart with data. Okay. Just now we designed our form. Thank you for watching. Bye.